Alright guys, we're back here with the Falcon. Just kind of pulling things out. I just started relaying out, pull all this wiring, whatever that fuel line is, grounds that are here, and positives, pull the master, all these brake lines, just pull out everything, and then I'm going to pressure wash it, which is going to take a little bit because it's really hot outside and I'm not staying out here the entire time. So yeah, I just gotta pull brake lines and wiring. Yeah, wiring everywhere in this thing. That's actually random. Got that. Yeah. Some of this is probably headlight, I don't even know. Let's see. Oh yeah. Headlight and turn signal, I think. Whatever's down there. I don't know, whatever that is. I don't know what this thing is for turn signals. But yeah, there's just grounds everywhere. Headlights. I don't want to pull the headlights. After I will, but yeah, getting there. All these connectors. Oh, whatever that was is gone. Pull that, whatever. Does it not? Oh, of course it does. I had a 7/16, so I don't know where it went. Alrighty, found one. So somehow, with one hand, I've got to hold this there and wrench on this. Probably crop you guys up. I don't even know what you can see. There we go. At the pool. This goes into the firewall. There's almost one. God damn it, cut myself. And those look like, let's see, I'm thinking 7/16. Oh, nope, I'm wrong. They're 3/8. Oh, that's just a cap. There, one. So let's get a 3/8 and pull that. Got my 3/8. Oh, those are just little self-tappers. Put those back in real quick. I don't label them. Oh man, this hurts. Oh, that fell out. And then push that back in. Oh man, it's too big to fit. This can go bye-bye. Seems flexible still. It's kind of hard though. I can't squish it. There we go. This little wiring over here. Oh, it's all tight. Oh, those are some open connectors. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get some bikes. Got some. I have a better set, but I don't know what I want. People kind of go into my box and take things and don't put it back. So, oh, they're there. Let me put you guys down real quick. Cut this. There we go. And then one on it. Come on. Come on, bitch. Brake lights or something. Oh, that came right off. That's cute. Yeah, that's all of it. Oh, I'll just push these back in through. Get that ground. Probably actually have a wrench. Let's go half. Yep. I'm sure there's a nut on the back of this. Nope. Is there? I don't know. That. Oh, there's that. I don't even know where that goes to. Let's turn the wheel. Oh, that's the one that goes all the way to the rear. Forgot about that. God damn it. I don't want to chase that all the way. I'll probably end up just cutting that end off. I'll see. Put this all through the firewall. You can probably go on the other side and pull it. There's no carpet in this thing. Box. I can't even see. Oh my god. God. Oh, I'll figure this out. I don't really want to take them apart, but that's too big to go through, obviously, and yeah. Oh, brake fluid's slowly getting out of there. Disconnect all those lines, and yeah. Let me go get tools for all that.